after a second in Moto 1. Moto 2 did not go as well for that guy right there, Levi Kitchen, which he posted on his Instagram, a little quote saying, taking the positives from the day at Ironman. Felt really good on the bike again and wanted to win that race bad. Didn't execute my start and crashed twice by the third lap. When I fell the second time, I twisted my knee pretty bad and was stuck under the bike for a long time. Resting now, and I'll be all good for SMX. Obviously, going second and 35th. He ended up 11th overall, but at least a good thing that he says, this is apparently a minor injury, apparently something just twisted or tweaked or whatever, so nothing horrible, and he'll be good for SMX because he's been showing that he's fast. Get on the Kawasaki this year, change your team, change of venue, and he's looked like he's been competitive and good. So it's good to see that he's not injured, because if you're getting injured on the last race of the season, it's always the worst. Getting in, gets to race the playoffs, gets to show some speed on the supercross tracks. And well, that's where my question comes for you guys. Obviously, we've got a few weeks before SMX playoffs comes around, but where do you think he falls? Is he top 5? Is he contending for the win? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you're thinking. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.